In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini without signing in. This is a quick, no-account method to get AI-powered answers right from the Google homepage. All you need is a web browser and the standard Google search page. No login, no setup. Keep in mind that availability can vary by country and browser, so if you don't see exactly what I show, it might be rolling out in your region or work best in a modern, up-to-date browser. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google homepage. You don't need to sign in or create anything new. If you see a prompt asking you to log in, you can simply ignore it. Just make sure you're on the main search page where you can type into the big search box in the center. Now, click into the search bar and type the @ symbol followed by the word Gemini, then a space, and then your question. It should look like this. @Gemini your question here. For example, you could type @Gemini latest news from crypto if you want a quick AI-generated summary of what's happening in that space. You can ask about anything you'd normally search for: current events, how-to explanations, summaries, or comparisons. Keep your prompt clear and direct. Adding a bit of context helps, like including timeframes, locations, or the level of detail you want. For instance, @Gemini summarize today's top crypto headlines in simple terms tells the AI exactly what you're after. Once your question is ready, press Enter. Google will process it and route it to Gemini. In many cases, you'll see an AI-generated result appear at the top of the page or in a dedicated panel, often with key points and links to sources. You don't need to click anything extra. Just read the answer and, if available, expand or view sources for more detail. If you only see standard search results, try retyping the query with the @Gemini prefix and keep your wording straightforward. Sometimes availability depends on your region or browser, and features can change over time. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, type @Gemini plus your question, and press Enter. It's a fast way to tap into AI without signing in. Use it to get quick summaries, explanations, or ideas, and then verify important details with the sources provided. Give it a try with a topic you care about, and experiment with phrasing to get the level of detail you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Gemini the simple way.